Hi, my name is Peter Joosten and I'm a biohacker and a do-it-yourself futurist. That means that I experiment with the latest technology and think about the impact on our daily lives. I am the curator of the platform superhumantalks.com. The goal of this platform is to facilitate conversations on the topic of the superhuman era. What are the main tools for improving mankind, like gene editing, nanotechnology and implants? What is the time span of these developments? And what are the implications for humanity and the planet? These questions will be featured on this platform through articles and videos, including interviews, vlogs and talks. The question will be not if we can upgrade ourselves, but the question will be why do we want to upgrade ourselves? Who wants to upgrade themselves and who decides to upgrade themselves? So the future will be more and more about the ethics, about all these upcoming developments. I also give keynotes, presentations and workshops for companies, institutions and governments about biohacking, human enhancement and the impact of the superhuman era. Are you interested in a keynote for your organization or event? Feel free to send me a message or visit superhumantalks.com. What kind of superhuman do you want to be in the future?